Hi students, this is computerized accounting, third BCom Computers and General, lecture 3. Last two lectures we discussed about what is computerized accounting, normal accounting, traditional accounting, advantages, disadvantages, limitations. Second lecture we understood about enterprise resource planning and Tally ERP 9, and also how to create a company. Now we learn after creating the company, there is the next we have to enter the vouchers. Voucher entry is depends upon the ledgers. Suppose if we purchased a furniture will be debited, cash will be credited. Usually in day book we will write furniture account data to cash account. So in Tally ERP 9 we have to create furniture account. Then we record the purchase of furniture under purchase ledger, furniture ledger, as well as credit to cash account. Automatically before entry, first we have to create furniture ledger account under the groups which are already created by Tally. Now coming to the what we are going to learn in coming slides, chart of accounts. So there are some mapping is there. Balance sheet is divided into some portions, that is liability side, capital, under capital, equity, reserves, asset side, fixed assets, current assets, loans and advances, like that. Under the assets, we have fixed assets, and under the expenses, we have direct expenses, indirect expenses. Software mapped or created like a chart. So we learn what is chart of accounts. After the charting, we have to understand groups creation. Next, ledger creation, and how the groups and ledgers are displayed under single mode as well as group mode, and how the ledgers will be altered if already created, and if the ledger wrongly, if we created any ledger or group, automatically we can delete, how to delete those ledgers. And we understand all the theory which we discussed here with a example. Coming to the chart of accounts. Usual chart of accounts class and traditional classification will be better understanding. Everybody will know personal accounts, real accounts, nominal accounts. Under personal, all the persons are grouped into personal accounts, assets are grouped into real accounts, other accounts are comes under nominal accounts. That is traditional grouping, classification or grouping. Computer or modern accounts are charted or grouped like this: assets accounts, liabilities accounts, capital and owner's equity, revenue or income accounts, expenses accounts. This classification we will better understanding when we are practicing on software ERP, Tally ERP 9. Assets, fixed assets are there, current assets are there, liabilities, sundry current liabilities are there. Owner's equity, we have reserves, equity capital we can create under owner's equity. Preference capital we can create under owner's equity. Already created a group called as reserves, and revenues as well as incomes. Rent received is income. Under rent received, so there are direct rent will be there, indirect rent will be there, whatever maybe, that will be grouped into one and created under one group, that is called as income. Expenses, in Tally we will find direct expenses and indirect expenses. Direct expenses we can know that which are comes under trading account, indirect expenses which are appears in profit and loss account debit side, we were well known about all these items. So, classification of accounts in traditional approach, personal, real and nominal. In coming to the modern approach, which we are going to learn in Tally ERP 9, that is assets accounts, liabilities accounts, equity, owner's equity or capital accounts, revenue or income accounts, expenses accounts. Then types of chart of accounts, operating chart accounts which are regular basis will be under operating accounts, comes under trading profit and loss account. Group of chart of accounts. So take the current assets or comes under assets. Under current assets, debtors are there. Under debtors, different types of names are there. So there is a main group called as assets, subgroup is sundry debtors, and subgroups may be either names or companies, whatever it may be. Country specific chart of accounts. This software is used by globally, and this software Tally ERP 9 is accessible at multi locations, irrespective of country, multi locations. So accounts may be charted, grouped according to the country. Some items were named in some country in different manner, in some other country in different manner. Classification of accounts according to the traditional approach, personal, real and nominal. Modern approach, assets, liabilities, owner's equity, revenue, income, expenses. Under the types of charting of accounts will be based on the operation, based on the groups, based on the country specific. Look at the Tally by default creates 28 groups. Tally, whenever I installed Tally in my computer, I will find all 28 groups which can automatically created by Tally. Look at the here bottom of left side bottom, find out 30 groups, 2 ledgers, 30 groups and 2 ledgers. So you look at here, actually only 28 groups are there. When I taken a printout, already I created 2 accounts, 2 groups. Subgroups ICICI Bank, Punjab National Bank, subgroups I created under bank accounts group, which comes under current assets main group. Okay, total groups are 28. In that main groups are 15, subgroups are 13, 28. And there are 2 ledger accounts, that is profit and loss account as well as cash. Whenever I installed software Tally ERP 9, Tally software automatically creates 2 ledger accounts, 13 subgroups, 15 main groups. These were automatically mapped by the Tally ERP software. Then coming to the what is groups. We understood now we understood what is chart of accounts, grouping of accounts. Now coming into the what are the groups. Groups is a collection of ledgers of the same natures. You take here look at in the example itself, look at the current assets. Current assets, the ledgers are cash in hand, bank accounts, stock in hand, sundry debtors. These are the subgroups. Current assets under main group, primary group or main group current assets. We had cash in hand, and another one is bank accounts, another one is stock in hand, another one is sundry debtors. These are subgroups. Under one main group, there are 4 subgroups are there. Under bank accounts, I can create one group called as Punjab National Bank group. Under that, I can create the ledger accounts of different branches. So Tally automatically creates 28 groups. In that, 15 are the main groups, 13 are the subgroups, and there are 2 ledgers. Group is a collection of ledger account. Group is a collection of ledger accounts of similar nature or same nature. For example, buildings, furniture, machinery, all are fixed assets which we apply depreciation. So, building, furniture, machinery are created under one group called as fixed assets. These are groups. Look at how to create groups in Tally. First, whenever we click on the start button, then select the tally, immediately we will get a gateway of tally. Gateway of tally. Under gateway of tally, we will find accounts information. Accounts information. This accounts information sub-menu or master's menu will provide total information about accounts point of view. So click on the accounts info. We will get groups and ledgers. Now we are learning how to create the groups. How to create the groups. Click on the groups. We will find two options, single group creation, multiple group creation. Now we will learn how to create a single group. Click on the create under single. Then we will find this window. Single group creation window will be like this. Name of the group, under which main group or subgroup which we are going to create, we have to mention. Later we have to answer the information. Group behave like subledger. Either you want to make it as a subledger, subgroup, then make it as yes. Net debit and credit balance to be reported, say yes or no, that is your wish. Used calculation for tax, yes or no. Method to allocate when used in purchase invoice. If any invoice we are taking, then we have to put a yes or no like this, for this. Okay, so this is a single group creation. First, start, tally, gateway, under gateway of tally, find out accounts info, click on the accounts info, we will find groups and ledgers, select groups only, click on the group, then we will find groups creation under single mode and multiple mode. Now we are learning only single, select the single create only, then we will find a window, name of the group which we are going to create, under which main group or subgroup will be selected from the drop down menu which are given right side of the window, under which group which we are going to create the subgroup or another group we have to select. This is how to create groups under single mode. I will explain with a problem also, practical problem of current assets, bank accounts under State Bank of India or Punjab National Bank, under different location accounts, that I will explain in later. Okay, next coming to the creation of groups under multiple mode. When we are creating under single mode one time, we have to create more number of groups at a time under one group, then it takes much time. So that's why in Tally we had an option called as a multiple groups creation at one time. Then again same procedure, accounts info, gateway after start, Tally, click on the Tally, then gateway of Tally, under gateway of Tally select accounts info, then afterward we will get groups, click on the groups. Now we have to click on multiple groups creation. Create button under multiple groups. Then automatically we will get this window, multiple group. Try to understand this one, okay? Under the group, under which group we are going to create, select. Suppose I want to create bank accounts. Under bank accounts group, I want to create, I have 3 bank accounts. In 3 banks I am maintaining bank accounts. So now I want to select bank accounts under the group. I have to create one group called as one subgroup called as State Bank of India, Punjab National Bank and Union Bank of India. Like that I have to create. Here we are understanding how to create multiple groups at one time. In this example, I explained fixed assets is a group. Under this I am creating two groups at a time. That is tangible assets and intangible assets. So I am creating tangible asset, selecting the all items and taking tangible assets under fixed assets, intangible assets I have to select this fixed assets. Okay. So groups can be created in 2 ways. only one group we have to create, just go for a single mode. Many more than one you have to create at a time, then you have to go for multiple create. Then coming to the display of groups. Already created groups are displayed to understand or to know whether those were created or not. If the groups were not created, then later ledger accounts we cannot keep under those groups. That's why to know whether the created groups are saved or not, we had an option in Tally that is called as a display. Same procedure, gateway of Tally, accounts info, groups. So you want to display the group under single mode or multiple mode. Anyway, you can do that one. Single mode or multiple group, multiple mode. When you want to display the single mode, click on the display, select which group you want to display and which group you want to display if you already created. Here I will going to select about the bank accounts. Okay, that is display of groups. Last we learned chart of accounts, how to create groups under single mode as well as multiple mode. Now we learn how to display the groups which are already created by Tally, either single mode or multiple mode. Look at that display of the groups under multiple mode. They already told current assets is the main group. Under that there is a subgroup is called as bank accounts. And in the bank accounts group I created another subgroups, State Bank of India, Punjab National Bank. Under the State Bank of India I had two ledger accounts, which is my accounts are at Hyderabad and Chennai. So for that purpose I created four bank accounts, four bank account groups under the main subgroup of bank accounts, and those were displayed. These bank accounts are bank account under bank account group. These are the four subgroups, subgroups are displayed under multiple display. Procedure to display multiple groups is same like a single display. Instead of selecting the display under single column, we have to select the display under multiple groups. Then coming to the ledger creations. Ledger is the end point. Before voucher entry. Ledger is very important aspect in understanding and maintaining the accounts. So ledgers can be created under two ways. One is a single mode as well as a multiple mode. Single as well as multiple. I explained in one window single and multiple because already we learned how to create groups under single and multiple. So we can easily understand how to create ledger accounts under single as well as a multiple. Look at this chart. Go to the start button, Tally. Immediately it will be open gateway of Tally. Accounts info, click on the accounts info. Now select the ledgers. There are shortcuts are there. You can easily move. You can easily and fast movement with the shortcuts by pressing the letters. Here when you want to go for a ledger, simply press L. When you want to create a ledger under single mode, simply press C. This window will be appeared. Give the name of the ledger, give the alias name which you want to call it as, and under which group it is created, mention that one, and the inventory values are affected or not, give that whether those are affected, give that yes. And here if we are creating any sundry debtor or creditor or some other party name, it will ask about the details and also ask about the tax information to collect or to pay the tax. This is a creation of ledger accounts under single mode. And up to ledgers, selection of ledgers and is same for the multiple. When you have to select the create under multiple ledgers for creation of ledger accounts under multiple mode. So at a time you can create a number of lectures under either one group or all the groups. Earlier example, I selected my ledgers are State Bank of India, Hyderabad the account is there, State Bank of India, Chennai account is there. So I taken a group State Bank of India, and in that I created two ledgers at a time, that is State Bank of Hyderabad and Chennai. Don't forget to press yes. If you forget to press yes, then the ledgers may not be saved. Later those are not available for voucher entry. So we understood how to create a single ledger, how to create multiple ledger, and whenever you forget to create any ledger, any ledger, but you are at a voucher entry point, don't please remember to press Alt C. You can get automatically single window creation entry. There you can create the ledger and you can proceed from the voucher entry itself. So remember to press Alt C to create instant creation of ledger accounts. That is single ledger and multiple ledger creation. Don't forget to, whenever you are creating multiple ledgers, after typing everything after typing everything and grouping, don't forget to press yes. Then coming to we will take one problem from creation of bank accounts as well as groups. I will explain that. Tally is coming. Then this is not licensed one, that's why select education mode. Look at here, gateway of Tally is opened. Look at here, accounts info. Okay, create. Now we have to understand how to create groups in Tally and how to create ledgers in Tally. So for creation of either groups or ledgers, click on the accounts info. We got accounts info window consists of groups and ledgers. Click on the groups. Under the groups, we got two. One is single and multiple. Create a ledger account and group single under single mode. Okay. Bank accounts. I have to create State Bank of India. State Bank of India group is there. Under which group I have to create? Main group, bank accounts. Group behave subledger, I am selecting yes. Press Y. Automatically it is created. Okay. And display. How to know about the created one? Look at SBI. Press S. First letter, it will be displayed. State Bank of India ledger is displayed. There you cannot edit under display mode. Cannot edit under display mode. For edit the ledger, there is an option is called as alter. Option is called as alter. Which ledger you want to change or alter, select that one, and whatever the changes you want to. So by mistakenly I selected sub ledger. Now I am deselecting no. Change in that one. That is creation of single ledger as well as a display of single ledger. No, I am not interested. I'm not interested to keep that ledger. I want to delete that one. To delete any ledger, remember, open that ledger in alter mode or open that group in alter mode. We will delete the State Bank of India group. Back. For going back, each step back, press escape. Accounts info, groups, alter, State Bank of India. Press Alt D. Alt D. It is asking you to delete. Press yes. Automatically deleted. Can you find State Bank of India? No. No. Go and verify and display. Press yes for State Bank of India? No, State Bank of India. So, we created State Bank of India group under bank accounts main group under single mode. We displayed it, we altered it, we deleted that one. Then coming to the creation of groups under multiple, then same procedure, accounts info, groups. Here the path will change. Select the create button under multiple groups. Take only bank accounts group and we have to create 3 bank accounts. State Bank of India, ICICI Bank, ICICI Bank. Here you will see here. Look at the right side down. Name already exists. If any group or lecture already created, it will alert us that it is already created. You cannot create the duplicate one. You want to create, you can create with the other name. So I want to create ICICI Bank, ICICI Bank. UK account, this UK group, we have, my company is in United Kingdom. We are maintaining accounts in ICICI Bank only in different locations. So I want to create ICICI Bank UK. Earlier already ICICI Bank is there, that belongs to Indian accounts groups. 2 groups are created. Then press enter. It will ask you to accept or reject. Don't forget to press yes. Then look at the display button to know whether the created one is there or not. Find out bank accounts. Look at it. 2 ICICI banks are there. Already ICICI Bank, which already earlier created, because it was created, it is showing duplicate when I am trying to create another ICICI Bank. It is displayed ICICI Bank UK, ICICI Bank, Punjab National Bank, State Bank of India, which were displayed under which group? Main group. Bank accounts subgroup. Okay. So this is a display of groups under multiple mode. Then I want to alter ICICI Bank details. Select the ICICI Bank. Here I forgot to give select the bank accounts. Then I want to give here F2, press F2 for alter. Indian, I want to mention that Indian. I altered, changed. Look at here, bank accounts. Under bank accounts, I had 4 banks. Now I named, which I earlier forgot, altered ICICI Bank with the name of India. Earlier one as same as this. Press yes for saving. Right? Now we learn how to delete the groups. And under alter mode also we can delete the group. Okay? So that is group creation. Then coming to the ledger creation. Accounts info, ledger, single ledger, create tangible assets. Under fixed assets, Very simple. When you cannot find any group, press the first letter. I want to find a fixed asset, I will press F. Automatically, which starts with the F will be displayed. Fixed assets. And earlier same, either this will be behave, I'm sorry, I came here for groups. Ledger, create ledger, single ledger creation, furniture, and under which group it is created. Furniture comes under fixed assets. Inventory values are affected. If I am a furniture shop, I can press yes. But if I am not a furniture shop, then I need not to be look at the inventory. Furniture details, if anything. This will be, name address will be useful for the party names, sundry debtors and creditors, like this. Great. Just a minute. No, I am pressing no. Look at here one more option, which is not available in group, opening balance. When the company is starting with that one, then I can give the opening balance here. Okay, opening balance, if anything is there, that can be provided. Press yes. Look at the furniture is created or not. Not created. Furniture comes under fixed assets. Look at here, display. See here, cash and profit and loss account, two ledgers already created by Tally. Recently I created furniture, which is displayed here. Now I want to change the furniture details. Simply open that particular ledger which you want to change or alter. Under alter mode, select furniture. Then you can either maybe delete or change, whatever it may be. Remember, what is the shortcut for deletion? Alt D. Alt D is for deleting the ledger which is already created. Okay, now we are not deleting that one, just for understanding purpose only. Then the same ledgers we can create under multiple mode. Whenever you want to go back one step, press escape. Create under multiple ledgers. Same under fixed assets. Under fixed assets group, I want to create buildings, machinery. Here directly we can give opening balance here. Machinery, land, etc. We can all these three ledgers I created under group called as fixed assets under multiple mode. Don't forget to press yes. Then look at under single display. First look at, see here, buildings, land, machinery. Recently I created were displayed. Now I want to delete the land account. Select the land account under alter mode under ledger, single ledger. Select the land. What is the shortcut? Alt D. Yes. Over. Look at that. Land is not appearing here. That is creation of display and alter, later deletion of ledger accounts. Is it? I hope everything is clear, I think. Okay. So next lecture we will discuss about the stock maintenance, how to maintain the stock. And presently we are looking at the inventory accounts. Later next class we will look at the inventory. Bye.